In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values in Airtable. If you work with numbers in Airtable, whether it's budgets, sales, hours worked, or any kind of totals, learning how to quickly add up a column will save you a lot of time. Instead of exporting your data to a spreadsheet or doing the math manually, Airtable has a built-in way to calculate the sum right inside your table. First, open the base and table that contain the numbers you want to work with. Look for the specific field or column that holds your numeric or currency values. This might be something like amount, cost, revenue, or hours. It's important that this field is actually set to a number or currency type. If it's formatted as text, Airtable won't be able to add it up properly. So if your numbers aren't recognized, you may want to quickly check the field configuration and change the type to a numeric format. Once you've located the right field, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that column. There, you'll see what Airtable calls the summary bar. This is a small area directly beneath the last record, and it gives you a quick overview of your data. If you don't see anything yet, hover over that bottom area and it should appear. By default, the summary bar might show something like the count of records, an average, or another statistic. To change this, click directly on the summary value at the bottom of your numeric column. A drop-down menu will open with several options, such as average, min, max, and others. From this list, choose the option labeled Sum. As soon as you select it, Airtable will recalculate and display the total of the values in that field. Now you'll see the sum of all the visible records in that column. This is important. The total only includes records that are currently shown in your view. If you have filters applied, hidden fields, or grouped records, the sum will respect those settings. That can actually be very useful if you want to see totals for a specific subset of your data, like a particular month, project, or status. And that's all there is to it. By using the summary bar and selecting the sum function, you can instantly get a total for any numeric or currency field in Airtable, tailored to whatever filters or views you're working with.